Today we're going to talk about how to contact people using the Landmark School website. So you can see here we're on our home page, and if you scroll down to the footer, which is on every page, we have this contact directory. We'll click on that. This will take us to a page that has all of the important contact information for Landmark School. You can see at the top of the directory are kind of the most important numbers. So we have the main number, admissions, elementary, middle school, this is the attendance line. That's a really important number. And also the high school, we have the attendance line as well as the student lifeline, and the health center for each of the respective campuses. So this is a great resource in and of itself. If you scroll down, you'll also notice that we have all of our administration staff listed. This can be a little bit overwhelming. So let's say that you wanted to find a specific person and you didn't want to scroll through. So you could just type in a name. So I'm going to type in my name, Hildebrandt, apply, and it should pop up with any names that match your query. Let's say you can't quite remember the name of the person. You think maybe if you saw the name, you'd recognize it. You know it's an EMS faculty member, so you can go ahead and narrow down your search by just EMS faculty members and look through only the names that pertain to that particular search. So hopefully this will be a great tool for you as you are looking to make sure you can contact the people that you're looking for. This, again, is always in the footer of any page on our website.